meet you. How can I assist you?
Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
What time is it?
Yes, sure, sir. 9:59 a.m.
Open Notepad.
Yes, sure, sir. Notepad has been opened.
Op
What do you want to write?
Hide the application.
The application has been hide from your screen.
Show the application.
Yes, sure, sir. The application has been shown.
Open calculator.
Yes, sure, sir. Calculator has been opened.
Lock the screen. Unlock the screen. Enter password. Who are you?
Yes, JJ, I'm voice recognizer 1.0.
Close the application.
Are you sure to close this?
Yes.
I didn't understand that. Please try again. Hello, how can I help you?
Close the application.
Are you sure to close this?
Yes.